Using social media to promote your business is nothing new, but what many people don't know is that TikTok ads can be a great way to advertise your e-commerce site. Today, we'll discuss why this is and provide 2 tips on how you can use TikTok to generate more traffic to your e-commerce website. Number 1. Why use TikTok ads? You might already be thinking, why TikTok and not other social media platforms to do your paid advertising? The answer is more simple than you might think. TikTok offers the cheapest rates right now to be more attractive to advertisers over other platforms. That, combined with the fact that TikTok became the most downloaded mobile app over the last few years and still is today, makes advertising on TikTok ideal for your e-commerce business. The best value per impression is available on TikTok right now. It'll make your job easier and your marketing strategy cheaper to execute. Your own personal profile is also less important on TikTok than it is on other social media sites for ads, as there is no link back to your personal profile from your ads. As a platform, TikTok is in its prime right now, with over 1.1 billion users. And as they look to increase advertisers using their site for marketing, it's the right time to start. Number 2. Using TikTok hashtag challenge ads for free promotion. What type of ad should you run? A great place to start would be to make use of the hashtag challenge, which is unique to TikTok. This will persuade people who see your ad or video to join in the challenge, showing off your brand to their followers as well as the paid reach you've put in. This is a way of making your advertising budget stretch even further. Other users will see their video and your brand name with it. While you do have to pay for access to the hashtag challenge app, you'll get more free advertising from users who pick up on the challenge, especially when someone goes viral. Sounds good, right? Yeah, we thought so. Who knows, your hashtag challenge might end up going viral too, which could end up with limitless exposure. So what are you waiting for? Get onto TikTok and get some ideas for what your hashtag challenge could be, and take your e-commerce site viral. Number 3. Make great content for your TikTok ads. The success of your TikTok ads depends on your content more than anything else. Remember, the content shown by the algorithm on your feed is the content you should think about creating and following, as this is the most popular and will reach the most people. Always keep your eyes peeled for trending content too. If you can get an ad that rides the wave of a popular trend, this could reach thousands, if not millions of users. Most trends only last for a short amount of time, so making sure you're ahead of the game here is crucial. Also, make sure that you're refreshing your ads and creative content constantly. It's not about finding a winning formula, it's about finding upcoming trends and making sure that your ad fits with how TikTok is trending right now, not where it was yesterday. If you can keep up, TikTok can provide more reach and more impressions than most other social platforms combined, if you're willing to put in the work, that is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.